Alright, so here we are given a relation as a set of ordered pairs, and we need to create multiple representations of this relation. So here we are given our ordered pair. So we have -2, 3, -1, -5, 1, 7, 4, 3, and 5, -1. So remember, when you have an ordered pair, the first number that shows up, that's your x value, and then the y value is the second one that shows up. So an ordered pair is x, comma, y. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go through each ordered pair here, and I'm going to label my x values and my y values. So I'm literally just going to put what they correspond with, either x or y, right above the number. Okay, once you do that, it makes it easier to create your table, your map, and your graph. So for the table, we're just going to take each ordered pair, and we're going to put them in the xy table here. So for each ordered pair, we'll put the x value in the x column, and we'll put the y value in the y column. So the ordered pair -2, 3, we would put in our table like this, -2, 3. They have to be across from each other to show that -2, 3 is an ordered pair. It is a point that we're talking about. Then you're going to do the same thing for all of the rest of your ordered pairs. So you have -1, -5, 1, 7, 4, 3, and 5, -1. Next, we're going to do our mapping. So when you have a map, remember this oval on the left is the x values, and then the y values go over here on the right. For the map, we're going to take all of our x values and we're going to write them in the x part of the map. Then we're going to take all of our y values and write them in the y part of the map. If a y value appears 2 times, you only write it once over here. If an x value appears 2 times, you only write it once in the x part of the map. So let's go through and do this. So -2, 3, I'm going to put the -2 in the x part of the map, and I'll put the 3 in the y part of the map. -1, -5, I'll put -1 in the x, -5 for the y. 1, 7, 1 goes in the x part of the map, 7 goes in the y part of the map. 4, 3. Alright, so here's where we need to be careful. I'm going to put 4 in the x part of the map, but I already have 3 written down over here in the y part of my map. So I do not need to write it again because it's already there. And then we have 5, -1. Now to finish the map, we need to draw arrows mapping our x values to their corresponding y values. So from our ordered pairs or from your table, -2 maps to 3. So an x value of -2 maps to a y value of 3. So you're just going to draw a line from -2 to 3. -1 maps to -5. 1 maps to 7, so I'm just going to draw a line mapping them to each other. 4 maps to 3, so I'm going to take a line, draw it from 4 to 3. And then 5 maps to -1. So the mapping tells us for each x value what their corresponding y value is. Now we are going to take these ordered pairs and we're going to plot them on the graph. So to graph them, you can look at the ordered pairs, you can look at the table, or you can look at the map. Remember, these are multiple representations of the same relation. So I'm going to look at the ordered pair. So I have an ordered pair -2, 3. So that means for my x value, over here, my x value is -2, my y value is 3. So I'm going to go left 2 and up 3 and then put a point. Then I have -1, 5. My x value is -1, so I'm going to go left 1. My y value is -5, so I'm going to go down 5. Alright, the ordered pair 1, 7, I'm going to go to the right 1 and then up 7. The ordered pair 4, 3, I'm going to go to the right 4 and then up 3. And then my last ordered pair 5, -1, I'm going to go to the right 5 because remember your x value moves you left or right, your y value moves you up or down. So I'm going to go to the right 5 and then down 1. I am not going to connect these points. This is just a relation. It's a set of ordered pairs. So our graph here is discrete. Remember, discrete means we do not connect the points.